Connecting letters. In this type of question, you need to find the letters that will complete the sentence in the best way. For these questions, you'll always have the alphabet to help you, and you need to count forwards or backwards in the alphabet to find the connections between the letters. BT is to DQ is the first set of letter pairs, and HZ to the pair that we need to find is the second set. We need to start by looking at the first set of letter pairs. First, we have to find the connection between the first letters in each pair. So that's B and D. Let's look at these letters in the alphabet. To get from B to D, you need to move 2 letters forward. So we need to make a note of this. We can say +2. Now let's have a look at the second letters. We go from T to Q. Again, let's look at this in the alphabet. To get from T to Q, you need to move backwards 3 letters. And again, we'll make a note of this as -3. Now that we've found what connects the letter in the first set of letter pairs, we can do the same with the second set to find the missing pair. We'll start with the first letter, which is H, and we'll find it in the alphabet. To find the first letter of the next pair, we need to move forward 2 letters, and we get to J. This will be the first letter of our answer, so we can eliminate some of the other answers. It can't be FC, LG, or KW. Now we need to find the second letter. We start with Z, and again we'll find it in the alphabet. And the relationship between the second letters is -3, or move back 3. If we do that, then we get W. W is the second letter of our missing pair, so the answer is JW. Now let's have a look at these letters. In the first set, we've got BG and EJ, and in the second set, we've got SY and the missing pair. Let's start by finding the relationship between the letters in the first set, starting with the first letter of each pair, B and E. Again, we'll find these in the alphabet. To get from B to E, we need to move forward 3 letters. Or we can say +3. So this is the relationship between the first letters. Now we need to find the relationship between the second letters, G and J. To get from G to J, we just need to move forward another 3 letters. Again, that's +3. Now we can use these relationships to find the missing pair of letters in the second set. We'll start with the first letter, S, and again we'll find it in the alphabet. To find the first letter of the missing pair, we just need to move 3 letters forwards, or +3, and that takes us to V. So this is the first letter of our missing pair. So now we can eliminate some answers. It can't be UB, PV, or BV, because it must start with V. Now we need to find the second letter. So we start at Y. But Y is nearly at the end of the alphabet, and we know that to find the second letter of the missing pair, we need to move 3 spaces forward in the alphabet. But the alphabet stops at Z. So what you need to do is you need to imagine that the alphabet is circular and it restarts once it gets to Z. So after Z comes A, then B, then C. So imagine the alphabet like this. Now we can easily move forwards 3 letters, and that gets us to B. So B is the second letter in the missing pair. The answer is VB. Now when you're counting backwards and forwards in the alphabet and you need to cross through Z, just go back to the beginning again. And if you're counting backwards through A, then you need to go back to Z at the end of the alphabet. So to count forwards 3 from Y, you just count like this. 1 to Z, 2 to A, and 3 to B.